Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.